total number of words is the number of words when all individual words in a text are counted. So when it says 500, that means 500 words are written in the text. And this information is helpful when we prepare for a SL lesson or SL session. Because at the beginning, we tell short stories, but we gradually start telling longer stories. Students' competence, listening competence, will improve very quickly. And also, story listening is not just for beginners, but also for the higher level students. So we tell longer and more complex stories. And therefore, when we know the length of the story, how many words are used in the story is a very good information to know when we start preparing for an SL lesson. And so that's the reason why the information is included.